I've got 3 samples of Mod Podge here. We're gonna test them all on these wood slices. We're gonna paint half of each one, and we're gonna figure out which one looks the best on wood. Let's get started. This is a knockoff of Mod Podge by Aleene's. So let's paint this on here and figure it out. We're just gonna cover the right side, right down the middle of the sunflower, and then we're gonna come back in a few hours and see how it looks. Now we are going to grab our all-purpose number 10. This is a secret blend that our company Scorch Marker has created, so let's go ahead and paint that on there. Now we're gonna go to the Mod Podge. Let's try this one out. Get a lot on there. We're gonna do a time lapse, and we'll come back in about an hour or two. All right, it's been a handful of hours. Right, this is the Aleene's Premium Decoupage. I see some brush strokes. It looks decent, not gonna lie. And then we have the Mod Podge. This one actually looks pretty good. Mod Podge did really good on this. Last but not least, we have the all-purpose. This one definitely has more of a gloss to it. I don't see any brush strokes. I see wood grain lines. It's just very different the way that it pops the grain. Super interesting. All right, there you have it.